Everybody.
Right now we're at the river and we're gonna do some river rafting at a level 3 river. Yeah, we just got here and we're suiting up, getting the raft pumped up and about to put my helmet on. We're gonna do this. Time to hit the river with the boys.
We're gonna paddle forward. It doesn't matter if the raft goes by side, it doesn't matter if there's a rock coming. We're gonna paddle forward till I say stop. Okay? A stop is just the paddle out of the water, guys. Put the paddle here. Don't hit the rocks, don't hit the branches. Might be a snake on one of these branches, okay? What happened if somebody fell out of the raft, guys? You have to buy beers for everybody. That's the only rule, okay, guys? Now just be easy, guys. Sometimes you don't have to swim because the current is so strong, even if it's like this level. So just you got your personal gear, your life jacket, helmet, and paddle. Grab the paddle always, guys. It's really important, okay? It's part of the floatability, okay, guys? So once you're in the water, don't try to stand up. If you try to stand up, guys, you're gonna hit all the rocks, or you might get stuck. That's really dangerous. Okay. This is it, guys. Do you have any question?
No, I'm ready to ride.
Let's do it.
Got the rules down. Time to rapid these rivers.
Rapid.
Just feels good just to change it up, and just really stoked that I got to be here with my best friend Dill and Toro and all the boys and meet some new friends and get to, you know, go ride some rapids, and that was really sick, man. So yeah, you should definitely try it if you get a chance. And another day in Mexico. I don't know if this board's like too big or not, but like I don't really have anything else, and there are some big sets coming through, so I have another board. It's like an 8.4. It's kind of thin, but I think if we really want to get the biggest one out there today and try to actually score the best one, this might be the board I need. It's got a lot of volume, so getting the spot, but it's pretty ledgy out there. I don't know. It's gonna be a long day, boys. Gotta get Ghostface Killer. We home, boys. Good ones. It's getting better. One's offshore. Woo! Alright. Wish me luck, Pedro.
Good luck, bro.
Bright and early, might be the first ones out there. That's how I like to do things. Be on it, always. Second day of the swell, I'm already seeing some bombers. Woo! This place is so beautiful, man. I love this place. It's pretty nice right now that my buddy Jamie Williams, he's the man, hooked me up with this surfboard to ride. He's in San Fran now. I was hoping he'd come down for the swell because we always have a good time surfing together and keeps the spirits high when we got some big barrels to ride. But he wasn't coming. He's like, Brad, this board's at your disposal. And I'm like, hell yeah. So yesterday was my first official day riding like this 8.6 quad. I don't even know, 3 inches thick or something. You got that compared to a board that I usually ride that's about 4 foot tall, less than an inch thick with no fins, you know. It's definitely like a different setup. Let's do this. Okay, I'm out there. See ya. Couldn't be more happy. I mean, some of those surf barrels I got, I don't know, I have to go to the footage, but they're pretty good for me. I'm pretty stoked. And those are some of the funnest surfing waves I've ever had, and it's still good. It's still firing. Super glad I wore this today because I was super tired from yesterday's session, and it definitely came in handy. I'd definitely suggest if you are tired after one day of surfing and the wave's supposed to be big again the next day, I'd wear one of these. Time to go relax and go think of a new idea and think of the next step. So see you guys later.